Hey guys, welcome to the second video. In this video, we wanna install PyCharm, Python, and the Modo dump API stuff. Okay, let's start. Open the browser and we Google PyCharm Community Edition. Okay, I choose here not the first one. I choose here PyCharm Pro versus PyCharm Community Edition. We scroll down here on the right hand side. We have the community edition. We click on download. Here in the dark area, we have the community edition. On the white area, we have the professional edition. Make sure that we download the community edition. Okay, click on download. I already have downloaded that stuff in my downloads folder. Double click PyCharm community edition. Yup. Next. Next. I want associations. Okay, cool. I want a desktop shortcut. Cool. The other stuff, we don't need this. And we wait. Just a short moment of time. Okay, cool, finish. We open Modo. Easy. We go to the SDK site and we search for Python sys. Okay, nice. Here, right at the first row, we have Python. Okay, nice. We need this lines here. The text can be outputted to the event log with Alex out. Any arguments passed will be concatenated before being written out. An empty argument list outputs a blank line. Okay, nice, but this lines here give us the Python version we use in our actual Modo version. So we pass this here into the script editor of the scripting layout and run the code with this button here. Okay, doesn't work. Happens pretty often that when we copy stuff that empty spaces are at the beginning of the line, so we delete those out. Again, pressing the button. Nice, here on the event log we have Python version 3.9.10. Okay, cool. Back to the browser, we Google Python. Easy. Welcome to Python.org. Downloads. Okay, active Python releases. Looking for a specific release. We do. Take a look if we can find it at the first glance. Yeah, we do. 3.9.1. We can also search this with 3.9.10. Cool. And we click on download. At the bottom, we have here the Windows installer 64-bit description, recommended Windows. Yeah, we click on this and save this. I already did, so I cancel this. And back to the downloads folder. Double click on the installer. What we want to do here is we want to make sure that we have this ticked on at Python 3.92 path. If we don't do this and we need this, this is super annoying to fix the problem afterwards. For a beginner, this is totally totally insane how complex it is if you don't know how to do this. So make sure that we have this ticked on and install now. Okidoki. Doch nicht. Okidoki. Okidoki. Disable path length limit. Yeah, I think we don't have such long path. If you have with a deep folder structure, you should disable this, but for this kit, we don't need this here. So we just close this. Next is we need the API for Modo. So we Google Modo dump API or something like this. And yeah, we have here the PyPy. I think it's PyPy. Modo API. We click on this one here. This is made by Sean Frü. I think his name is pronounced free. At least I hear it. A Modo user. So cool. He updates the stuff from time to time. So we copy this here to clipboard. And we open the Windows command prompt and just Control V to pass this into this and enter. It will look a bit different on your side because I have this already installed. The yellow text here, we just ignore it at this point and everything is good. We close this. We go back to Modo. We go to System, User Folder, Kits, Modo Diver, Scripts, and we copy here the path. Zack, copy, and we open the PyCharm Community Edition. Easy peasy. Okay, cool. It opens here my old files. You don't have to care for this. We go to File, New Project. We can leave here everything as is. Virtual environment, I think this is new. The older version doesn't have this. Yeah, we keep this. We only change the location here to the scripts folder of our kit. Okay, create. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah. Okay, beauty. I think if you make a new installation, it should ask with a prompt if you want this main.py file. When we create a project, it automatically creates this file here. So for the tutorial, I would choose to have this auto-created. Okay, we delete the stuff here. We don't need this. We write hashtag, exclamation mark, slash, usr, slash, bin, slash, Python. Make sure this is in the first line. This is important. Cool. We go here to File, Settings, and if everything worked fine for you, we have here Project Script. We go to Python interpreter. We should have here Python 3.0 script. Cool. We want to click on the plus sign and we search for Modo. And we select here the Modo API from Sean and install package. Cool, it's green, it worked, everything is nice. Close this and we see we added the package successfully. Okay, press OK, everything is good. We write import Alex. New line, Alex point out, and we see it also gives us already gives us recommendations. This is handled by the package that we added, the Modo API. So cool. We can click on this. Nice. And quotation marks. Hello. So we don't want to fuck around so much with such mini hello scripts here, but this is actually the first script that we already finished. So everything is cool. So we close Modo and we open it. UT. We write add main.py into the command line, enter, and we see, hey, our first script works. Cool. Modo here, system, user folder, kits. Let's check this. Modo diver, scripts. We have here the auto-generated main.py file from, PyCharm, and the project folders and also created. for us. Coole Sache. Okay, what's next? Let's go back to the root folder of the kit and let's open the index CFG file with the text editor. Cool. Make sure we have here some free lines. We go to the SDK website and we search for script alias. Okay, it's script service. We need this for the kits because we want to edit the kits config. Cool. Control F, script alias, nice. Yeah. Scripts can also be referenced from kits. This is done by defining an alias to the script. If the script is in the root of the kits directory, nothing beyond the script's name is needed. Okay, this means the key here, my script, is a nice name for the script file doit.pl in this sample here. And the doit.pl would be in the root folder of the kits directory. Beauty. But our main.py file is not in the roots folder of the kits directory, it's in the scripts folder. So second line here makes more sense. This would have, instead of the script folder, the dir folder. So we copy this lines here, go to our index CFG and just pass this stuff into our file. Okay, setting here some tabs. Oops. Doesn't matter, but okay, first line, go away. Second line, we call this first script. Our folder actually is scripts. Name of our file is main.py. We save this. Ut. Close and we open Modo. Okay, let's try it again. Add main.py. Works. It says hello in the event log. Add first script. Oh no, it doesn't work. Okay, close Modo. What's the problem? Hash type equals script alias, key equals first script. Okay, scripts main.py. Okay, we have here one quotation mark, too much. There's a mistake in the SDK. Okay, we save this, no problem. Everything is good. We open Modo and wait for a better day, maybe. Add main.py. Okay, says hello. Add first script. Oh, now it works. It says also hello. This means we now have nice names. We don't need the file names for using the script in Modo. We can use a nice name. This is a good thing. So this is the end of the second video. We installed PyCharm. We installed Python. We installed the Modo API so that we have auto-completion and such stuff in PyCharm. Beauty. This is all set up for the next video. We made actually our first script without much explanations, okay, but in the next video we do cooler stuff. Okay, beauty. Ciao.